Very nice. How much? Alrighty guys, I'm going to be installing some new mirrors. I'm going to see how the quality is. Looks like there was already one there. It broke off. From here it kind of looks like plastic, but I'm sure it's some kind of cheap metal composite. Undo the 2 bolts right there. We're going to see how the the mirrors from Autokrafters. That's autokrafters.com sponsoring this video. Yep, it fell down in there. I'll have to fish it out later. Well, here it is. Wow, that is a little too nice for my truck. Here's the mirror I have now. It's probably more like my truck, but hey, it'll go with my custom cab. And someday I want to change these out. So slowly they'll get a little more chromed out. It's pretty nice. Here's the part number. I don't think this side matters. And they sent me the same one, so I don't think it matters. Well, there we have it. Besides the fingerprints, it's looking pretty. Installed very well. It sort of floats around a little bit, but better than nothing. Bolted in really well. Yeah, I could say the gasket could be a little better, but these bolts are... But the part that matters is the chrome, and everything inside here looks like it's working really well. Nice. Yeah, very good. Very nice product, guys. Go Autokrafters. Let's see here. Doesn't have a part, doesn't have a name or company. I wonder who makes them. Oh well. Next up, this one, which kind of goes with the truck. But I'm changing it. I got these at Autokrafters, autokrafters.com. Yeah, I really enjoy them. And what I mean by that is, like, this is a pretty solid chrome. Doesn't look cheap to me. Even in these little crevices here, the chrome is nice and, you know, very, very good. There you have it, outside rearview mirror, 53 to 66. So I'm really impressed. And I bolted in real easy, all the hardware, so I'm real happy. For that promo code, now if you guys watched some of the other videos, you already know what it is, but the promo code to save 10%, $10 on $100 if you spend over $100 is AK F100world, all caps, AK F100world, all caps. I like it. Very nice. How much? Love it. Perfect. Heck yeah. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Follow, subscribe, do all that jazz. Appreciate you. See ya.